Good morning, children. Welcome to VPS e-learning class. Children, as you know, our first chapter is going on, that is numbers beyond 9999. We have completed exercise 1A, 1B and 1C of this chapter, and we are going through exercise 1D. Today we are going to do question number D and E of this exercise 1D. Clear? Question number D is you have to arrange the given numbers in ascending order from smallest to the largest. And question number E, in question number E, you have to arrange the numbers in descending order, means largest to the smallest. Ascending and descending order you have also done in your previous classes, in class 3rd, 2nd and 1st. Now you are going to do in class 4 also. So you already know that what you have to do in these questions in ascending order or in descending order. So I am going to explain you these two questions today. This you will do in your classwork copy, means in your maths copy in which you are doing all the work, or in your homework. What you will do, you will repeat the same questions for your practice as you are doing daily. Okay, as you are doing daily, you are repeating the questions in your rough copy. So this question also you will repeat again in your rough copy, so that you will get practiced for all the questions. Maintain your copy very well. Do all the work which are given in all the subject in your classwork copy only, because when the school will reopen, you will call for your copy correction. So being very serious, complete your all the works in your classwork copy, as all the teachers are giving the works you have to do in copy or book. So you do the same in your copy or book, as your teachers are giving you instruction. So now let's start question number D and E. So this is question number D. Arrange the following numbers in ascending order. First question is, as you already know what you mean by ascending order, it means we have to arrange the numbers in the form of smallest to the largest. So we will just pick out the smallest number and we will write at first. Then after that we will pick out the number greater than this, and then we will arrange it. First question is 61,935, 2,091, 517, 1,025, 3,610. Now we have to arrange it in ascending order. So as you can see that in this question 517 is the smallest one. So we will write 517 at first. After that we will write 1,025, then 2,091, then 3,610, and then we will write 61,935 because it is the largest one. So we have arranged it. First question. Second one is 351, 1,678, 2,500, 6,135, 21,015. Then we will arrange it 351, 1,678, 2,500 and 6,135, and the last one is 21,015. As you can see in question number 2, the answers are given, so we don't have to arrange it. The answers are only given in the question. Question number 3, 56,827, 18,905, 21,519, 6,219, and the last one is 5,861. Then will take the last one 5861 because it is the smallest one. After that 6219. After that 18905. After that 21519. And the last one and the largest one is 56827. So this is the answer. This is question number 1, 2, 3 of question number D. Question number 4. 3,65,727, 4,78,051, 26,871, 45,341, 19,007. So the smallest one is 19,007. After that 26,871. After that 45,341. After that 3,65,727, and the largest one is 4,78,051. So this is question number 4 of question D. Now we will see question number E, to arrange the following numbers in descending order. Descending order means from the largest to the smallest. So we have to arrange the numbers. First we will write the largest one. After that what will come, that we will write after that, and this way we will arrange the numbers in descending order. So first question is 9,165, 6,501, 62,519, 653, 25,009. So let's see that which one is the largest one. So 62,519 is the largest one. We will write at first. After that 25,009. Then after that 9,165 we will write. Then 6,501, and the smallest one is 653. So this is question number 1 of descending order. Then question number 2. 7,25,017, 43,519, 56,785, 1,09,000 and 85,371. So which one is the largest? This one, 7,25,017. After that 1,09,000. After that 85,371. After that 56,785. And the last one and the smallest one is 43,519. So this is 43,519. So this is question number 2. Third is 81,526, 4,54,839, 2,81,263, 7,19,076, 2,35,245. The largest one is 7,19,076, which we have written at first. After that 4,54,839. After that 2,81,263. After that 2,35,245. And the last one and the smallest one is 81,526. So this way we have arranged it in descending order. Question number 3. In question number 4, 3,65,727, 4,78,051, 26,871, 45,341, and the last one is 19,007. So first we will write 4,78,051. After that 3,65,727. After that 45,341. After that 26,871, and the last one and the smallest one is 19,007. So this way we have done question number D and E. This I will send the picture that you will write in your classwork copy, and in your homework you will repeat the same questions for your practicing in your rough copy. So children, thank you and have a nice day.